Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix gimbal calibration error and camera not point straight on the DJI Mini 4 Pro by using our brand new repair software. First things first, let's power on the drone and take a look at what errors we're dealing with. As you can see, this drone is showing a vision sensor error. I suspect that error is related to a cable issue since I haven't replaced any sensors on this unit. However, this video, we're going to stay focused specifically on the gimbal calibration error only. Even if the camera is tilted or not pointing straight, this tool handles both problems at the same time. It corrects the camera alignment and fixes the calibration error in a single operation. Before we jump into the software, there's one important check you should always do first, and that's verifying your gimbal motors are physically working. Watch what happens when I gently move the drone. You can see all three gimbal motors responding and trying to stabilize the gimbal. That's exactly what you want to see. This confirms the motors are working and functioning correctly. If one or more motors not moving, the calibration process will fail and you'll need to address the hardware issue before proceeding. Before we dive into the software itself, let me quickly show you where to get it if you haven't get it yet. Scammer alert. Before we move on, I need to take a moment to address something serious. There are scammers actively impersonating me, using my logo and very similar names to deceive people. Please be careful, here's what you need to know. I will never ask you to pay via cryptocurrency or USDT in exchange for extra discounts or bonus credits. Our official payment methods are PayPal and card. Cryptocurrency is technically available but is not our primary method, and we will never use it as a bargaining chip. This is our official website, where you can download the software and create your account. I've also left a direct link in the description below to a separate video that walks you through the full download and account registration process step by step. So if you're setting things up for the first time, make sure to check that out first. Once you're on the website, I also recommend visiting the How To page at the top of the navigation menu. That page contains detailed written guides and tutorial videos for every single tool in the software. It also shows you exactly how many credits each operation costs before you commit to anything. Alright, now let's get the drone connected and ready. Here is the exact process you need to follow every time you use our software. First, open DJI Assistant on your computer first. Then power on your drone and connect it to your PC. Wait until DJI Assistant recognizes the drone and displays the connection confirmation on screen. Once you've confirmed the drone is connected, completely close DJI Assistant. Notice, both DJI Assistant and our software cannot communicate with the drone at the same time, so DJI Assistant must close it before you proceed. Now open our software and log in using the email address and password with your registered account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Let me walk you through what everything means here, because there are a couple of features that are really important to understand before you run your first operation. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see your current credit balance. This tells you how many credits you have available to spend on repair operations. Below that, you'll find the Active Reserve section. This is one of the most useful features in the software, and I want to make sure you fully understand how it works. Here's the idea. Whenever a repair operation fails for any reason, whether it's a connection issue, the gimbal got stuck, or anything else, that failed operation doesn't just disappear and charge you full price again. Instead, it gets automatically saved into your active reserve. You'll see the drone's serial number and the type of operation listed there, so you always know exactly which fix it's referring to. From active reserve, you can retry the same operation for free up to 5 times with the same drone. That means if your first attempt fails, you have 4 more chances to try again at zero cost. However, once you've used all 5 retries, the next attempt will charge the full credit price again. There's also a 2-week expiration window on each active reserve entry, so make sure you complete your retry attempts within that time frame. After 2 weeks, the entry expires and you'll need to pay full price for a new operation. One important tip from experience: I recommend only retrying a maximum of 2 times on your own. If it fails twice, something might be wrong with the hardware or the connection setup, and continuing to retry without troubleshooting first is just wasting your attempts. After 2 failed retries, please reach out to us directly and we'll help you diagnose and resolve the issue before you use up the rest of your retries. Now let's get into the actual tool. Navigate to the Calibrate Gimbal section in the software. Before you click Start, you should notice that this tool is currently supported: DJI Mini 4 Pro, Mini 5, Air 3 or 3S. If you have active reserve operation, you will have message alert to remind you about retry operation. So just click OK to continue. As you see, the fixed cost is showing as 0 credits. That's the active reserve system working exactly as intended. What I'm going to do is physically block the gimbal from moving during the calibration process. If the gimbal can't move freely, the process will time out and fail. As expected, the process has failed. Now let's go back to the dashboard and check the active reserve section. You can see the retry count has increased by 1. We're now at 2 failed attempts on this operation. The serial number and operation type are clearly displayed, so everything is tracked properly. This is exactly what a real failed attempt looks like, and this is where you'd normally troubleshoot the hardware before retraying. But for the purposes of this demo, let's go back into the Calibrate gimbal tool, and this time let the drone move freely so we can see a successful calibration. Watch the gimbal, you can see the motors cycling through their calibration movements automatically. The software is communicating with the drone and running through the full advanced calibration. In this process is important. If your gimbal is not working fine, you will fail to calibrate it. You have tried to calibrate it 2 times but if still fail. So it is the hardware problem. It can be your gimbal motor or gimbal cable. You don't need to worry and contact to us. Explain and take video for us by Telegram or WhatsApp. We will check and finding problem together. And there we go. The calibration successful. Now let's go back to the dashboard and look at the active reserve section again. The entry for this operation has been completely removed. That's how it works. If an operation processed successfully, the active reserve entry is automatically cleared and you cannot retry anymore. Now let's grab the remote controller and our error. As you can see, the gimbal calibration error is completely gone and everything is looking clean. The last thing I want to show you is how to review your repair history and credit usage on our website. Go back to the website and log in with your account. On the dashboard, you'll see your updated credit balance along with your most recent operations listed at the bottom. For a full breakdown, head to the credit history section. This is where you can see a detailed log of every credit transaction, including how many credits have been added to your account over time and exactly how many have been spent on each operation. It's a great way to keep track of your usage, especially if you're a technician running multiple repairs regularly. And that's everything for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me directly through Telegram or WhatsApp.